Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You're ready to begin. First, confirm your Sonet has the wireless pad and your phone supports Ki. Place the phone on the pad centered over the charging coil. Avoid metal or thick cases because they block energy. Once placed, make sure the car is in ACC or on so the pad receives power. If your trim requires activation, open the infotainment settings and enable wireless charging now. You'll see a charging icon on the phone that confirms alignment and power transfer. Once you see intermittent blinking, optimize alignment. Nudge the phone a fraction, about 1/4 of an inch, until the charge icon stays solid. Make sure phone power-saving modes or charging limits are off. These can throttle wireless input and mask a successful connection. If the phone still refuses to charge consistently, check the Sonet's USB/wireless fuse and ensure infotainment software is up to date. Software can control the pad. Keep the phone cool. To finish, confirm the phone's battery percentage is rising steadily and the charging icon remains solid. That means alignment and settings are correct. If it never charges, reboot your phone first, then clean the pad of dust and test a different Ki phone to determine whether the fault is the phone or the Sonet. If problems persist, make an appointment with your dealer. They can run diagnostics on the pad module and wiring. Bring your phone and note when the issue occurs for faster resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.